We're here today to witness the joining of these two wonderful individuals who have chosen to embark on the beautiful journey of marriage. And although family and friends are back home, they are certainly all here in spirit with us. The joy and love that fills this beautiful place is a testament to the love these two share.
Ready?
Yep. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ah!
Okay, I wanted to go first. Jessica, from this day forward, my heart is yours completely. You are my greatest love, my safe place, and the one who makes every day feel like home. Together we will laugh, we will grow, and we will wander the world, turning each new place we visit into a memory we share, and each challenge into something we overcome hand in hand.
Since the day I met you, you have always been the kindest and caring person you are today. You are exactly what I needed in a life partner. You make me a better person. You are my safe space, the calm to my storm. I look forward to our future together, full of adventures, laughter, love, and most importantly, goldies.
You are my once in a lifetime, and I will spend all of my days honoring, loving, holding you close now and forever.
You are my soulmate, my ride or die, and I couldn't ask for a better man to spend my lifetime with. I love you all the muches for all the days.
May your marriage be woven with threads of laughter, love, and shared dreams. As you embark on this journey together, remember to always see the best in each other, especially when challenges arise, like rainy wedding days.
The end.
The end.